This is the building. This is outside building. The bottom is in the bar or restaurant something. This is the whole concrete building, and you have to do the pre-wire. And this is the night mirror, very old building. This is the bar. Hard sailing. That's the kitchen area. This is the first floor. And now I'm going to second floor apartment. I already knocked the door. Maybe somebody inside or locked the door, but I don't see anything from outside lock. This is the one door, this is the here, this is the this is the 3, 4, number 4. The other side also same way.